But in terms of the forecast, we've had a little bit of everything. Snow, rain, thunderstorms this evening.
Yeah, and it's kind of on repeat here as we head into tonight and especially into the first part of the day tomorrow. We've got the potential to see some more maybe light snow across the state here as we get into early Tuesday. For now, everything has been sub-severe. Good news there, but we do have some thunderstorms with a little bit of hail in some of them, at least earlier this afternoon. But you can see kind of this broken line, or at least trying to form a line of some storms across western Iowa. There's quite a bit of lightning, heavy downpours in a lot of these cells as you head up towards Fort Dodge along Highway 20 here from Webster City out towards Rockwell City. These all pushing up through the Humboldt area. Pocahontas, you're looking at rain as well. We head back to the south and west where we've got more showers and thunderstorms developing again, basically just south of I-80 out towards Atlantic, Red Oak, down towards Clarinda. And these are all shifting off to the north and to the east. And I think we'll see more widespread rain and storms overnight tonight, but the severe threat will go down as the sun sets. As far as rainfall totals for today go, again, these are just through the 5 o'clock hour. And the storms that we had earlier today were pretty isolated and localized. So some of these totals may not be really real representative of how much rain you saw in your neck of the woods. But as far as rainfall totals go, some healthy rain up towards Fort Dodge, Algona, about 1/3 of an inch for places like Ames and Atlantic. And again, these totals will start to increase here once we get into the storms this evening, but also the rain that we see overnight tonight. Temperatures, though, made it back into the 60s here across the state today. Winds are breezy, and our winds will stay pretty elevated here, not only tonight, but also as we get into the day tomorrow, making it for a chillier day on Tuesday into early Wednesday morning. So as we go through the next 12 hours, our temperatures actually stay pretty mild. We drop off into the upper 30s by 7 a.m. tomorrow, and then that's kind of where our temperatures hang out for much of the day on Tuesday in the mid and upper 30s. Hour by hour forecast looks like this. Some storms rumble through tonight with some more rain overnight tonight and into the start of the day on Tuesday. As that colder air filters in early tomorrow morning, we're back with some light snow as we kick off the day Tuesday morning, especially across northern Iowa. That's out of here by the afternoon. So quick moving system here. We're left with the clouds for much of the day tomorrow, and then finally some clearing late Tuesday night into Wednesday morning. As far as more rain goes, though, some of those spots that see the thunderstorms not only this afternoon but also overnight tonight, picking up over an inch of rain here through early tomorrow morning. More like 1/10 of an inch or 1/2 an inch or so for other spots across central and southern Iowa. And again, snowfall, highest amounts are going to be found across the border for Iowa and Minnesota. We're looking at maybe a dusting here in the metro, but higher totals the further north you go. Again, winds are going to stay strong not only as we go through tonight, but also tomorrow. It's a northwest wind with gusts to about 30 to 35 miles per hour. Tonight will eventually drop into the low 30s by tomorrow morning. I think we hang out in the 30s for much of the day with some light snow early on. Otherwise, temperatures are in the 40s on Wednesday with more sunshine. We keep it into the 60s here as we head into Thursday, Friday, and Saturday.